Hello, dear friends. Today I would like to talk about the card, the Hermit. The Hermit is a seeker for the knowledge that comes from within, a lonely wanderer in the path of the night. He searches for that which can only be gained with long periods of solitude. The inner voice. To hear it, he must disconnect from the crowds. That's why you are looking that here hermit is sitting near a cottage and sitting lonely. He must disconnect from the crowds whose voices and desires threaten to overcome his own. He walks through the night of darkness of his unconscious, guided only by the low light of the northern star, with his destination being him in his self. As a card, it indicates that you are currently contemplating that you need to be alone. Never be afraid to take this chance to reflect, as it could help you clear your mind of all the clutter that comes with everyday life. The hermit may also refer to your effort in taking action that is authentic and aligned with your true self. You are perhaps searching your inner soul for guidance on what is right and where your next steps are to be. The hermit in a reading can also denote the appearance of someone who will come to your life that will be your mentor. If you got this card in love reading, then it indicates the pose in love life to introspect, self understanding in love. If you get this card in career reading, then you indicates in readings that it is indicating that contemplating next steps in career and searching for purpose in career. If you get this card in your financial readings, then it indicates that contemplating role of finances in happiness, less focus on material things. The hermit is a spiritual signal of universe. Financially, it also indicates that you may be coming to the realization that money does not bring you happiness right now. This may be a time with less focus on material things and more focus on try to understand where you can truly find that wish fulfillment. If you get this card in your love readings, in love relationship readings, then you feel that the hermit is indicating the pose, the loneliness, love, being one of life's greatest mysteries, can be a great teacher like the hermit. It requires all of us to truly know ourselves, our needs, our fears, and our insecurities. The Hermit Tarot love meaning can signal that we may need some time to be alone in order to develop some insight about ourselves before forming a strong romantic relationships with another person. This period may feel a bit lonely, but it will place you on the right path to finding a love that you are meant to have. If you are already in a relationship, this soul searching card is indicating that here is something that the two of you may want to do together. Both of you may want to think about what you expect out of a relationship and what may make you happier. The initial talks may be uncomfortable, but will prepare a strong foundation for tackling the future ahead. It is a heavenly arcanum. I hope so, guys. You got some informations about the card of the Hermit. If you get any type of the knowledge from this video, then please comment and give me feedback. And if you want to get your personal tarot readings, then please ping me on my contact numbers. You can WhatsApp me for registering your tarot readings. My services are always online and offline for all city states and countries. Thank you to all. Take care. God bless all.